Jawad Ahmad. Today we are present in our next economics class of chapter number 3, learning objective number 2, that is types of elasticity of demand. So before we can start this class, kindly subscribe my channel so you can get all my videos on a timely basis. Let's start this class. What are the different types of elasticity of demand? First one is perfectly inelastic demand. If percentage change in quantity demanded is zero as compared to percentage change in price, then it is called perfectly inelastic demand. It means that the change in the quantity demanded is zero. That quantity is not going to change, but the price is going to be changed. So it is also represented as elasticity of demand is equal to zero. Graphically, it is presented by a vertical curve showing that the quantity is fixed. There will be no change in quantity as compared to prices. Next is inelastic or relatively, not perfect. It is relatively inelastic or highly inelastic. It means that the percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price, means there is a higher increase in the price as compared to quantity. Therefore, for example, if quantity increases by 10%, then the price will decrease by 90%. So its graph will be a relative inelastic curve showing that there will be a high increase in the price level as compared to the quantity level. Next one is unit elastic. What is unit elastic? Unit elastic means that the percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to the percentage change in price. Means that if 10% decrease is happened in the quantity demanded, then price will also increase by 10%. This is called unit elastic. Also represent as elasticity of demand is equal to 1, and its curve will be a simple curve showing equal increase and decrease in the quantity and the prices. Next one is elastic or relatively elastic or higher elastic. It means that the percentage change in quantity demanded is greater than the percentage change in price. Means if there is a 10% increase in the quantity demanded, then there will be a 2% increase in the price level. So it is represented by a relatively skewed curve showing higher increase in the quantity as compared to prices. Next one is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means that the percentage change in quantity demanded is unlimited or indefinite or a very large change as compared to the percentage change in price level. For example, there is a 2% or 200% increase in the quantity and there is 2% decrease in price. So 200% is a large or a very large difference. So it is represented as elasticity of demand is equal to infinity, and its curve is represented through a very simple diagram, that is a horizontal line. Mean elasticity of demand is infinite. This is perfectly elastic. Next concepts are the same diagrams that we have already covered in previous session or in the previous slide, but I am going to make them again for your better understanding on a simple page. First is perfectly inelastic. It is quantity demanded and price. Perfectly inelastic means that percentage change in quantity demanded is zero as compared to the percentage change in price. That quantity will remain fixed. So it is represented through a vertical line. Second one is a relative inelastic or higher inelastic or simply inelastic. It is percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price. For example, if there is 20% increase in the price level, there is 2% decrease in the quantity, and graphically it will be represented as a skewed curve or a flatter curve showing more change in the price as compared to quantity. We can prepare this diagram on a more wider place so can be explained you in a better way. I am making it here so you can easily see the change in quantity as compared to prices. You can see that there is a large change in the price section as compared to the change in quantity section. So this is called inelastic curve and also show as elasticity of demand is less than 1. Third one is relative elastic or higher elastic or simply elastic. It is the percentage change in quantity demanded is greater than the percentage change in price. For example, if there is 20% increase in the quantity when there is a 2% decrease in price, this will be called elastic demand, and graphically it is Here you can see that there is a higher change in the quantity as compared to the change in price section. Therefore, it is called elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Third one is, or the fourth one is perfectly elastic. It is the percentage change in quantity demand is infinite or is such larger change as compared to the price level. For example, if it is 200% increase in demand as compared to the price where there is 10% decrease. And graphically, it is represented through a horizontal line showing that the price will remain same, but there will be a higher change in the demand section. So elasticity of demand is infinite. And the last fifth one is unit elastic. Unit elastic is percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to the percentage in price. Means there is a same increase and decrease in the quantity and the price. And graphically, it is represented by a equal line showing same change in the quantity and the price. Elasticity of demand is equal to 1. So, firstly, elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Then, elasticity of demand is less than 1. Then, elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Then, elasticity of demand is greater than 1. And at last, elasticity of demand is equal to infinity. So these are the different 5 types of elasticity of demand showing different type of change in the elasticity of demand. First is perfectly inelastic. Second one was relatively inelastic. Then it is unitary elastic. Then it is relatively elastic. Then it is perfectly elastic. So the study tip is beware of the difference between inelastic demand and perfectly inelastic demand. Don't need to mix each other into this. So this was our today's class in which we have comprehensively covered the concept of different type of elasticity of demand. Hope this concept has been well explained. If you have learned anything from this class, kindly share it with those who want to learn this concept and subscribe my channel so I can continue to make such videos for yourself. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you for your time.